from BBC School Report 2015. Today we will be interviewing some of the Golden School's teachers about whether going to Mars, in their opinion, is a good idea or not. Also, we will see what some of the S6 pupils feel about the Mars One project as well. Now I will pass you over to Charlie, who will be interviewing one of our school science teachers.
Do you think it's worth people going to Mars to do experiments?
I think it's definitely worth getting people to go to Mars to do experiments. I think the more we can find out about our solar system and our universe is the better, knowledge for the sake of knowledge. But I also think that getting people to do it is far more interesting than sending a robot to do it. I think people will be able to get better results. I think people are far better able to think and adapt when they're on site doing the experiments than doing the whole thing by remote control of the robot, which is incredibly valuable. But I think a person there actually doing it, despite the technical difficulties of doing it, which in itself makes it worthwhile just because we have managed to achieve that, will probably gain more success as well. Having a person doing it, I think, is a good idea.
Would you go on the trip to Mars?
I'd love to go on a trip to Mars, yeah, absolutely. Mars, the moon, anywhere.
Thanks for that, Charlie. Now we will hear from our 6th-year pupils, and they will be telling us about what their opinion on the Mars One project is. If you had the option to go to Mars in 10 years, would you take the opportunity?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
Do you think it is a good idea for people to do these types of experiments on Mars?
Yeah, because there could be other people living there.
Yeah, because you get to see, you get to understand other planets and stuff like that.
Yeah, because then you can find out more about other places and what's happened there and if you can live there or whatever.
How would you feel if one of your friends or family were going to Mars?
Jealous, because I'd want to go.
I don't know, if my father went, I'd hope they took me with him, but I don't know, I'd be fine.
Nervous because it's probably quite a dangerous thing to do.
Now it's time to hear from one of our SFL teachers.
What do you think about the Mars One project?
I don't know a massive amount of detail about it, but what I do know sounds fascinating and adventurous.
Do you think it's worth people going to Mars to do the experiments?
Yes, very much so. The more experiments we can do wherever we do them, the more we can advance our knowledge.
Would you go on the trip and why?
I wouldn't. I have a young family. I wouldn't want to leave them behind.
How do you think the Mars One mission is going to help us in the future?
It's quite clear that we're destroying our own planet. Now, I'm not saying we need to find somewhere else to go and live, because that's kind of counterproductive. But if we can populate Mars, we can reduce the population on planet Earth. Therefore, man's effects on the planet could be reduced.
Would you be interested in helping the Mars One mission?
In terms of experiment planning, working back at base on planet Earth, yeah.
That's it for today. I would like to thank everyone who helped us, and goodbye.